Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss some problem sum related to simultaneous linear equation. So first problem tells us that John tells his daughter 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. I am not going to read the full question. One time I am going to read the full question, but when I solve I am just going to read the one line and I am going to form the equation. So first let the present age of John be x years and daughter be y years. So 7 years ago, first we need to find out their age 7 years ago. That is their age 7 years ago. Do you agree? So what John is telling his daughter, that he was 7 times as old as she was then. So John is 7 times of this. Do you agree? So simplifying, we will get x minus 7 equals to 7y minus 49. So x minus 7, if I will take minus 7 this side and 7y this side, so I will get x minus 7y is equals to minus 42. That's one equation. Second equation, what John is telling? Also 3 years from now. So first what I will do, I am going to write what is their age 3 years from now. So 3 years from now their age will be x plus 3 and y plus 3. And what John is saying, that he shall be 3 times as old as she will be. So this will be the equation. So can I say that x plus 3 equals to 3y plus 9. So x minus 3y is equals to 6. So these are my two equations. First equation is x minus 7y equals to minus 42. This is my first equation. Second equation, x minus 3y equals to 6. So if I want to solve these two equations, so x minus 7y, x minus 3y equals to 6. So if I will subtract this, I will get minus 4y is equals to minus 48. Hence my y will become 12. If I put the value of y in this equation, so x minus 3 into 12 equals to 6. So x minus 36 equals to 6. So x equals to 42 years. As I said many times, please do check the equation are they satisfying or not. So next problem which I am going to do, that is a sailor goes 8 km downstream in 40 minutes and returns in 1 hour. So returns in 1 hour means, so when the sailor is returning, that time he is returning in upstream, right? So let the speed of boat be x kilometer per hour and speed of current be y kilometer per hour. So relative speed of downstream. What will be the relative speed of downstream? So when the boat is moving in downstream, that time speed of the boat and speed of the current both is applying. So that time it will be x plus y. It will be 4 this kilometer per hour. But what will be relative speed at upstream? So in upstream it will be x minus y, because the boat is going against the current. So speed is going to reduce this kilometer per hour. Is it fine? So now we know the formula of d equals to st. What is the general notation? D is distance, s is speed, t is time. Correct? So distance divided by speed, that will be equals to time, right? So what was the first distance? First distance was 8 km downstream. So 8 km downstream, that is the distance, and speed is downstream speed, that is x plus y. So x plus y is equals to 40 minutes. Please be very careful. Don't write equals to 40, because we are doing the sum on our unit. So that 40 minutes you need to convert to hours, so it will become 40 divided by 60, hence it will become 2 divided by 3. So if I simplify, I will get x plus y is equals to 12, right? Second one, same distance 8 kilometer is returning. When he is returning upstream. So that time it's taking 1 hour. Obviously, if the speed is getting less, we need more time, correct? So if I cross multiply, can we write x minus y equals to 8? So this is my first equation, this is my second equation. So if I will solve these two equations, just check. Suppose if I will apply graphical method to solve this equation. How to solve this? Just check. X plus y equals to 12. From there I need to draw this point. Suppose couple of point I am taking. If x equals to 6, y is also equals to 6. If x equals to 4, y is equals to 8. If x equals to 5, y is becoming 7, right? Now another equation is given, x minus y equals to 8. So from there what I can write? This is x, this is y. So if I will take this, so when x is equal, so when y is equals to rather 4, sorry, y is equals to 4, x will become 12, right? Y is equals to minus 3, y equals to minus 3 means x will be 5, and if I take y as minus 5, then x will be 3, right? So now we are going to plot this point on a graph paper. So I hope all of you have graph paper. Please try to plot that. How to plot that point? I am going to show you one demo example here. It will be so correctly done. So how to draw this? Just check. This is your y-axis and suppose this is your x-axis. So first point 6, 6. So for x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be your 6, 6, right? Next 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4, 8 will be over here. Then 5, 7 will be over here. So if I will draw one line which joins all 3 points. Why we will take 3 points? Because this is not so correctly done. So it would be, because with any 2 points I can draw any line. So if it is 3 points, you can correctly see that if there is any mistake, the points will be on the line. No graph paper is there, so there is not accuracy is done here. So x equals to 12, y equals to 4. Next couple of points if I plot. So suppose x equals to 2, 12, y equals to 4 will be somewhere over there. Just randomly I will plotting. So x equals to 5, y equals to minus 3, somewhere over there. X equals to 3, y equals to minus 5, it will be somewhere over there. So if I will draw the line over there, so it will be like this. So we need to make sure that these lines will intersect, and that intersect point, that will be the solution. The intersect point, if we will check the intersect point, the intersect point will be, I know this, so I can write the intersect point properly. Intersect point, if you will check, that will be 10, 2, and that will be the solution. So solution is speed of the boat or speed of the sailor, which was by x. So speed of the sailor, that is 10 km/h, and speed of the boat, that is 2 km/h. Is it fine? Another 1 or 2 problems I will try to solve by graphical method. Please take the graph. I am constantly saying my graph is not proper, it's not accurate because graph paper is not here. Please try to plot the point. If there is any problem, please do ask me. Don't forget to give that arrow sign, because it will mean that these 2 lines are continuous in the both end. And don't forget to write that 0, 0 and scale. Thank you for